The cries of Hebrew babies echo through Egypt as Pharaoh's cruel command threatens every son, every Hebrew boy that is born you must throw into the Nile. But one mother refuses to give up hope. By the riverbank, she weaves a tiny basket, sealing it with pitch. With trembling hands, she places her baby inside. The basket drifts among reeds, crocodiles lurking nearby. Suddenly, Pharaoh's daughter finds the child.
This is one of the Hebrew babies.
God has preserved the one who will deliver his people, Moses. Years later, in the silence of the desert, that same Moses tends his flock near Mount Horeb. Suddenly, he sees a strange sight, a bush blazing with fire, yet it does not burn up. As Moses approaches, a voice thunders,
"Moses! Moses, take off your sandals, for the place where you are standing is holy ground."
The fire glows brighter as God reveals his mission, to free his people from Egypt. Moses trembles.
Who am I that I should go to Pharaoh?
I will be with you.
Pharaoh's heart is hard, and the Lord sends signs that shake Egypt to its core. Water turns to blood, frogs cover the land, gnats and flies swarm every home, livestock fall. Boils break out, hail crashes down, locusts devour the fields. Darkness cloaks the land for 3 days. Finally, the last plague, the death of the firstborn, sweeps through Egypt, but the homes marked with lamb's blood are spared.
When I see the blood, I will pass over you.
Pharaoh cries out,
"Go worship the Lord as you have requested."
The Israelites march out but soon find themselves trapped. Pharaoh's army behind them, the raging sea before them. Panic rises, but Moses lifts his staff. The Lord commands,
"Raise your staff and stretch out your hand over the sea to divide the water."
Suddenly, a mighty wind roars, waves split apart, and towering walls of water rise on either side. God's people walk across on dry ground. When Pharaoh's chariots pursue, the waters crash down, swallowing them. The Israelites lift their voices in awe.
"The Lord has triumphed gloriously. The horse and rider he has thrown into the sea."
Do you believe God can protect, call, deliver, and make a way for you just as he did for Moses? If yes, subscribe, share, and like for more epic Bible stories of faith, courage, and victory.
Every day, God made a way. Trust in